Hey YouTube, so in today's video I'm gonna be doing like a two-piece set type of thing, but this one's gonna be a little bit different, a tad different, but you put a little spin on it. And as you can tell from the title, you already know what I'm gonna do to like the dress. So this is the dress. I never wore it because I got it a few years ago. I didn't like it, so now I'm like, okay, I'm gonna revamp it so I can actually like it and actually wear it. So let's get into the video. So this is the dress, and this is how long it is. Stops right before my knees, and I'm not gonna lie, like, you see this, like, it's a struggle to like even button it. So I'm gonna fancy it up, make it look cute. This is actually cute. I could wear this. Like, should I cut this? Like, and then they had the little strings on it, say tie like this, like this. Should I even be doing what I'm doing? Because honestly, like, it looks fine like this. Just wear a tank top and then just wear like this pipe button, this one, and it'll be looking like really cute, right? Like, should I really be doing this? Because I actually look cute like this, to be honest. Like, so what I'm going to do is cut the bottom of the dress just a little bit because I want it a little shorter. Now I'm going to curl this button here. So I'm not done, guys. This is not the finished product. Not the finished product. We're gonna put on both of the pieces, but you know, just for now, we're gonna do the skirt. So what you wanna do is, y'all should probably get closer. this is how the side of the skirt looks. This is the inside. It's a top. Some TLC stuff. Then you look at the back and it has a bow on it. So get into the bow, It's sideways or whatever the case may be, but you know, it's cute. It's cute. You wear with a little tank top, it's looking real cute. Like, period.